Hey, what's up guys? My name is Maximilian and in today's video I'm gonna show you how we can create realistic images with VizMaker and upload our source file directly from Archicad. The first thing that we'll have to do right after we open our project in Archicad, we have to set our cameras. It can be one, it can be multiple of them. In this case, I got 4 different cameras, which I will upload right now to VizMaker. But to do that, we just have to press this button, VizMaker, right over in here, execute, and we can send a view or do an instant render, which will render in VizMaker instantly with default settings, which are Nano Banana 2 and prompt generate photorealistic image. So we can send all of those views into VizMaker. And now we already got our views inside software. So we can press leftmost button on it, scroll all the way up to Nano Banana 2 engine, resolution 2K, and we can choose view to render preset. And then for each of those images, we can run it simultaneously. And we will just have to wait for a couple of seconds for our results and just take a look at those. We can enlarge it by pressing enlarge button right over here. And then let's take a look at those. And they look absolutely beautiful. We can, of course, upscale it, add people. We can create multiple different shots. And we can do this directly with our presets, or we can do this by writing a very specific prompt. So just to create those sort of images, you just have to upload your source images from Archicad directly into VizMaker and press one preset and make button. That will be all in this video. Thank you for watching and I will invite you to see the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and download VizMaker through the link in the description.